Hello friends, welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. I'm Seva, and in today's video we're going to talk about accusative case pronouns. If you're interested, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow us on Instagram, and keep watching! Accusative case in Russian is used to indicate direct object in a sentence. We will study it in detail in the future video, but today we're going to talk about the pronouns. Let's take a look at how the pronouns in Russian are changed from the nominative case into accusative. Я becomes меня, ты – тебя, он – его, она – ее, оно – его. Мы – нас, вы – вас, они – их. In Russian language, the word order is quite flexible due to the fact that in the language we have the cases, so we can place different elements in different places in the sentence. If you don't use any special intonation patterns, the stress or the emphasis in the sentence always falls on the last part, the last word. We will talk about that in the future, but at the moment you can use the classical structure similar to English, SVO, subject, verb, object. Now let's talk about some verbs which are often linked with the accusative case. We use accusative case after those verbs. Don't forget to conjugate those verbs according to the subject. If you don't remember how to do that, please find a link to the video about it down below. Here are the verbs. Любить, помнить, слушать, уважать, знать, читать, смотреть. Директор меня слушает. Now in Russian, we traditionally use the emphasis on the last word rule, which means if I say директор меня слушает, it means that the action which the director does is listens to me. If I change the word order in this sentence, it becomes меня слушает директор. In this case, it means that the person who listens to me is the director, because the director is at the last part of the sentence. Меня слушает директор. It is the director who listens to me. Директор слушает меня. So if I put the sentence like this, директор слушает меня, it means that I'm the person who the director listens to. Директор слушает меня, а не Петю. The director listens to me and not to Petya. So at this point you don't know how to use all the rules in the accusative case, but you can get around it by saying the noun in the nominative case and then using the pronoun for it in the accusative case. For example, русский язык. Мы изучаем его. Это фильм. Мы смотрим его. Это книга. Я читаю ее. Это молоко. Я не люблю его. Это девушка. Ты любишь ее. Это подарки. Я покупаю их. Это Москва. Маша любит ее. Это журналист. Вы знаете его. Вы студенты. Мы уважаем вас. Это русские буквы. Джон помнит их. Мы, Katya и Seva. Вы смотрите нас. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, give us a like, follow us on Instagram, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, пока-пока!